It looks fantastic, doesn't it? I'm in love. I'm incredibly proud of this vehicle, and maybe even more of the teams who brought it to life. And we're excited to see this car in showrooms later this year. I can't wait. And now to walk you through what's new and why it matters, please welcome our Senior Vice President of Product Marketing and Strategy, Peter Danilovich. Please take over. Peter.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's great to be here in New York and great to be introducing this gorgeous new Atlas. The 2027 Atlas takes what made the first generation car successful and elevates it in every way. A more premium look and feel, more thoughtful touches and smarter tech, more safety enhancing features to help carry your family with confidence, and more power than the outgoing model. So let's dig in, starting with the exterior. The Atlas makes a bold statement with all new sheet metal. The design is both powerful and athletic. At the front, stacked LED headlights, a masked upper grille, and a powerful hood project a confident face to the world. Double light lines and the illuminated VW badge are standard on all but the base trim, making it instantly recognizable day or night. We know that our customers love this feature already on the current car, and this design is even more distinctive. In profile, we have a sleek and modern body side. A sharp theme line is accompanied by prominent fenders and side sills. With this, we create a robust character and a powerful stance. At the back, we have made the spoiler more pronounced and the rear tailgate flush for a modern shape. And the cross-body taillight design mirrors the lighting signature in the front, and dynamic turn signals add a premium feel. Three sophisticated new colors round out the exterior design. One of them is this lovely green here besides me. Let's have a look inside. The cabin has been completely reimagined. It feels very sophisticated and it looks just spectacular. A bold loop unifies the cockpit with one strong architectural statement. Everything flows with purpose, from display to vents to lighting. High quality, soft touch surfaces, real wood decor, and available Napa leather gives the interior this elevated feel. The Atlas has always been family focused, with room for up to 7 people in all their belongings. The new 2027 Atlas builds on that, with families at the center of every detail. Based on the MQB Evo platform, it retains the hallmark spacious cabin with class-leading third-row legroom, and adds more standard feature than ever. A huge center console is designed for real life. It features smart storage, dual wireless charging, and intuitive controls. The new driver experience dial controls volume, drive modes, and the atmospheres feature, which has preset moods for ambient lighting and audio. To make the whole family more comfortable, we have added air vents in the B-pillars of the car. And we have added also things like park distance control and rear sunshades and power liftgate, is standard to this car. A large 15-inch infotainment screen offers a new and refined user experience. And a standard digital cockpit and available ChatGPT assistant enhance the everyday drive. At Volkswagen, we believe the safety of our customers is fundamental. Every model in our lineup includes a full complement of safety-enhancing features. The new Atlas adds a center airbag to a total of 7, and the improved IQ Drive Suite upgrades Travel Assist and Emergency Assist, which now can bring the Atlas to a stop on the shoulder of the road if it detects a medical emergency. All this creates a more confident driving experience, and that feeling continues with the Atlas' most powerful engine ever. The new 2-liter E8 888 Evo 5 engine makes 282 horsepower on the Atlas. That's 13 more than the outgoing model, and we anticipate better fuel consumption. And ladies and gentlemen, because customers want choice and the market evolves, we plan to launch a full hybrid with the mid-cycle refresh. The new Atlas starts arriving to showrooms in the fall, and I couldn't be more excited. We know customers are more cost-conscious than ever, and affordability remains a pillar of the Volkswagen brand. Pricing and full specs will be released later this year, but rest assured, Atlas will remain a great value. Everything you see here reflects that promise. Premium where it matters most, yet still attainable for the American family. Thank you very much for your attention, and with this, I would like to ask Kjell back to me on stage.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you so much. And we are excited to give you a closer look at the all-new Atlas. And we have the exact same beautiful, photo-ready Sacramento green Atlas right over here in this secret room. So let us take a few quick photos, and then let's celebrate the new Atlas. Yeah.